The candle that never goes out, and that will leave your house scented for a long time. Learn how to make a candle that never goes out, and that will perfume your house for a long time. In today's tip, you will learn how to create this candle that will not only decorate your environment, but will also perfume it. To start, you will need a lemon cut into slices, neither too thin nor too thick. You will also need a small glass jar, similar to those used to make canned corn and peas. Let's start by placing a layer of coarse salt, about a finger thick. There is no exact measure, so just add the salt until it seems enough. Next, we will arrange the lemon slices, leaving a space for the water. The amount of water needed will depend on the size of the container you use to make the candle, but approximately 2 fingers high should be enough, as we will add more ingredients. The next ingredient we are going to use is the smell nail, which will add a pleasant aroma to your house and enhance the smell of lemon. If you wish, you can also add cinnamon. In addition, I am going to incorporate a little Sicilian lemon essence, which will further intensify the lemon aroma and perfume your house in an exceptional way. This essence can be purchased in drugstores, natural product stores, or even online. To improve the mixture, add a little cooking oil, but remember not to fill the jar to the brim to avoid spills. Now, we will take disposable glasses that surely we all have at home for birthday parties or celebrations. With scissors, we will cut the body of the glass, leaving approximately a finger high from the bottom. Then, with a heated star screwdriver, we will pierce the center to pass the wick of the candle. We will use a string, or if you have a candle, you can melt it or open it to extract the wick. Personally, I will use a candle that I already had at home, and with a knife, I will cut carefully so as not to damage the string. I think it is easier to do it this way than by melting the candle, and it is more efficient, since we will only need the string. We will pass this string through the hole we made in the glass, and after passing it, we will leave approximately 1 centimeter inside, and then we will fold it. Now, we will place the bottom of the glass on our container, and that's it. Our candle will be complete. You can put it in any room in your house and even use it for a romantic dinner with your loved one on Valentine's Day. I'm sure he will love it. When you turn it on, it will last hours and hours, releasing a pleasant aroma. If you made it this far, leave me the phrase, "candle that does not go out," so I will know that you stayed until the end. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you are the first to receive our advice.